Hello, and thanks for signing up. We're excited you chose the ROVA platform to start growing your career company. I'm going to quickly walk you through the basics of the ROVA app. So this is the home screen where you can finish registration or fill in any information about your profile or vehicle. So now let's say you're ready to pick up an order. Toggle that offline button in the top left to online. And remember, anytime you want to stop receiving orders and stop sharing your location, go offline by toggling that back. So once you're online, you'll see orders that are available to pick up. So for this order, let's check out more details. And here you can see all the details about the order. You can also hit decline, which would put that order back in the queue for other drivers, and you would see different available orders for pickup. So now let's go ahead and accept the order. It's going to ask you to pick your map preferences for navigation to the pickup location. And once you select that, it'll automatically open up your route. So if for any reason you need to cancel the order you accepted, select more details at that bottom, scroll down to problem with order. You're going to select that button and then choose the reason why you need to cancel and then hit submit. But for this, we're going to go back to that order pickup screen. And so here you can get information about the customer, so you can call them directly if you have questions about the order, pickup, or where to go. But let's just say we got to that pickup location, that you're going to go ahead and select the pickup button that you picked up that item. And then it's going to pop up the screen again to help you navigate to the drop-off location. So here it's showing you the same thing where you can call the customer at the drop-off location. You can see more details if you need to call here. And for this one, we're going to select drop off once we get to that drop off location. And this one requires a signature. So go ahead and select ask for signature. And you're going to hand the phone over to the customer, and they're going to go ahead and sign it and put their initials in, and you're going to save. And that is submitting the order. So you completed your order delivery. And once you select OK, you'll see more available orders for delivery. Thanks again, and drive safe.